If you want to get your home sold, give Bedward a call.
Welcome to 1326 Main Street in Leicester. Let me show you around.
This two-family home is full of hidden value. Public record shows 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. But after walking through, we discovered so much more. You're actually getting 6 bedrooms and 3 full baths. That's 3 bedrooms in the first unit, 2 in the second, plus a bonus under-garage studio with its own bedroom. The roof is just 3 years old, with updated electrical and plumbing only 2 to 3 years old. Both units, including the under-garage studio, have been recently renovated, making this property truly move-in ready. Whether you're looking for multi-generational living or serious rental income, this home delivers buyer to verify all information. But opportunities like this don't come around often. To book a private showing, click the link below or the link in the description.